This tool is a content manager and it makes it very easy to keep track of all of the content that your business publishes. And the dashboard will show you a snapshot of up to 4 monthly goals that you may set for your team. In this case, we're using blog posts, videos, social media posts, and then newsletters. Then it'll also have a section that will display how many you've planned for those goals and then how many you've actually completed, meaning it's been marked as done in the system. You've got some quick links here that will allow you to add new content and then also view or add goals. And then you have a monthly content calendar, which will show you everything in with a monthly view. In this view, it's really cool because you can move something from one place to another. So if you decide you'd like for this to be on Monday instead of Friday, you just drag and drop it here. You can also click on them to view and make edits. All right. There's a section at the bottom where you can add comments. And if you'd like to even extend the amount of time, so if it's something that may take more than one day to complete, you can stretch it over a 2-day time frame. So let's see here. Then over here on the left hand side, you have a menu which will show you the dashboard and then also the content. Here's a view that will also allow you to drag and drop whether it's low, medium, or high in priority, and then once it's completed. So if something has been completed, you can simply drag and drop it over to the completed section, and then it'll mark it off as complete, and it'll close the task. You can also click on them to view them, to make edits, to make comments, and then you can use the view over here on your left hand side to toggle between each of those tasks. So they will highlight based on the type of content it is, and because we have 4 main content types that we track or that we have goals for on the dashboard, you'll see green for social media, orange for video, purple for newsletter, and then the blue or turquoise color for blog posts. All of that can be changed if you want colors to be changed, if you want highlights to be changed, or any type of conditional formatting. That can be changed in the back of the system. You can also view that monthly content calendar in more detail here. You can switch it to weekly and you can switch it to day. You also have this all content report, which will show you everything more in a spreadsheet type format, but it's grouped by the type of content that it is. So you'll see articles here, blog posts here, so on and so forth. You can filter this to only show, any given type, and then also whether it's open or closed. So if I just change this to show me only everything that's still open, you can filter by that as well. And to remove the filter, you'll just simply click on it to remove it. You can add content here from the dashboard or from here. Either is fine. This is where you'll enter whatever the name of your content is, the type. Everything will be listed here. You can add new content types here if you wish. And then if there's a link, you can add a link, whatever your description is. You can format that as well. Start date, end date, and then the priority. If you have more than one person that's working on any given content type, you can assign a co-owner. Under the users section, it'll show all of the users that are part of the system. So here you can just see only one person, but you can add as many as you'd like. Then you've got the admin section, which has the goals that you've set. So here in the system for videos, we've set a goal of 1 video per month. For social media, 8 posts per month. Networking, 1 networking event, and then newsletter, and then blog posts. These are the goals that we have set. Obviously, only 4 of them are highlighted on the front dashboard. Then we have all content types. This is that list that comes up in the drop down. You can make changes to it, you can add to it, you can take away from it under the admin section. And then your content count, it lets you know how many contents you have out for each of those content types. And then you can specify a date range to view it that way as well. So right now you have one article that's open. Blog posts, you have two that are closed, two that are open, and a total of four. You can go in and add more content types here, and then more contacts here. Okay. This is really cool tool. You can also use it obviously on mobile devices. You can pull up the Zoho Creator app for iPhone or for iOS or Android in your store, your app store, and then obviously log into your Zoho account to view whichever, whatever you have named this application once you've imported it into your system. You can make changes to the system just by clicking on edit this application. Go in, you can make changes to colors, fonts, even the format, the theme, you can change that as well. But this is just a tool that my team wanted to put together to give to you guys for free, that you can use or you can start with. It can be kind of like a base and you can just build upon that. And then if you want to customize it a little bit more, you can always contact us. You can reach us here at the bottom of the screen. Click on this button. It'll take you straight to our website where we have a chat box. And then if you choose, you can just send us an email or give us a call.